I'm Peter Carr, this is Longhaus TV, and thanks for watching. The Australian Tech Index remained flat in Q1 2013 at 131 points. So let's take a look at the chart. That's 3 consecutive quarters now of underactivity. But rather than a flat line, we think we're seeing more of a hibernation. Despite the hibernation in the aggregate index though, there are some really interesting things going on below the line. For example, the Australian Stock Exchange Tech Stock Index is up and consumer tech spending is up, but overall consumer confidence is down. The RBA has also been talking about softening labour markets and increasing unemployment for a while. The fact is though that CIO confidence remains down in our industry. And there is an ongoing downward trend in the national stats for ICT vacancy rates as well. So let's throw up another chart. Job adverts are also at about 2/3 of what they were at 2011 levels. Australian CIOs though are inherently an optimistic lot. In fact, most of the ICT industry could be classified as optimistic, well, except for certain public sector administrations. So the real question is, what would it take to really turn us into a negative bunch? Well, as an industry in Australia, we don't see massive layoffs in IT, and we are not a blue-collar IT market, we're a white-collar IT market. If anything, with the finite number of resources within the ICT labour market, what tends to happen is that labour ebbs and flows between the suppliers and the users. The labour market is cyclical. So what is something that might break this stasis we're in? Well, if we are in fact entering a period of deflationary economics, then we could be seeing the start of a return to the outsourcing cycle from the turn of the century. Some of this will be confidence driven. Some of it will be about organisations thinking it might be better to rent rather than to own key assets, and this will include people as well. So despite general business confidence being strong, it is really confusing out there in the labour market. Something has to give, but we don't believe that will be before more softening in the lead up to the end of the financial year. I'm Peter Carr. You can follow us on Facebook or Twitter @Longhaus, and thanks for watching.